are ever changing, but glowy complexion is evergreen. If you're looking to get that evergreen glowy complexion look, your secret weapon is going to be your highlighter. Hi guys, I'm Aanam and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to work the highlighter into your glam makeup routine. But if you're new on this channel, make sure you guys subscribe to Be Beautiful. Now let's get started. So I want to start out with giving you two highlighting ideas that actually are really great with liquid highlighters. I feel like if you're someone who really likes that dewy base, that glow from within, that very naturally lit look, these two ideas could really be something that works for you. So the first one I'm going to mention is where you do your skincare routine, you apply your primer and then take your liquid highlighter and apply it on all the high points of your face that we just talked about. You can also go on your chin if you like, by the way, and apply that liquid highlighter before you go in with your foundation. This obviously means that you have to apply a little bit extra product if you're working with like a medium to a full coverage foundation so that the glow can really shine through. The second option that I'm going to give you is something that I tend to do very often. This is basically taking a little bit of any liquid highlighter of your choice and mixing it in with your liquid foundation and applying it all over your face. Don't be worried about looking like a disco ball, because if you are using a medium to full coverage foundation, it won't look like a highlighter all over your face. It will just look like you have great, flawless, dewy skin. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use option number 3, which I think is really great for beginners. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the powder highlighters, every girl's best friend. So today I'm going to show you how to apply the powder formula of the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter on the high points of your face. Let's dive into this. So I'm starting off with taking a little bit of the product on my brush, applying just a few gentle strokes on my cheekbones. You can see that literal instant glow that came. So that's what a tapered brush does. It's just really easy to work with, but it does pick up quite a bit of the product. What I'm also going to do is go ahead and give myself a little bit of the highlighter on the side of my forehead, around the temple area. I'm also going to go on the bridge of my nose. I told you guys just a few seconds ago that I love what a highlighter looks like on your Cupid's bow. So pout and apply that highlighter in there. The chin is optional too, but if you're looking for that really glamorous look, I think you can apply some on your chin. If you haven't tried that ever before, please give it a try. I promise you'll love it. One of the tricks I'm going to give you to make sure you have a nice balanced highlighter glam look is to pick and choose where and how much to apply your highlighter basis the look you're hoping to achieve. For example, I already have a nice matte eyeshadow going all the way till my brow bone today. So I'm skipping applying highlighter over there. Normally I would apply some highlighter over there, and I've already applied some over here on my temple. So you can pick between your temple and your brow bone, or if you're feeling really glamorous, you can apply it on both as well. The rules are for you to make for yourself. Just have fun with makeup, guys. So now that we've got the application covered, I kind of want to give you guys a few tips that will help you make sure you do this correctly and not give yourself a non-glam look with a few things that you shouldn't do that I'm about to share with you next. So first of all, make sure you're always applying your highlighter on the high points of your face, which is here on your cheekbones. Don't go ahead and apply highlighter on your cheeks. What it will do is land up making you look really oily or make it look like you've applied your makeup wrong. The second thing that I'm going to tell you is to make sure you always apply your strokes in a nice upward motion or a circular motion. Don't drag your brush downward. That will really not work well for your skin or your makeup look. What I also want to share with you is a little bit of a makeup cheat code. Sometimes in the zone of experimenting, we land up applying a little extra product. So if the glam is a little bit more than you intended, you can for sure downplay it. You can use a beauty sponge and just go ahead and dab it on your skin to make sure that the foundation becomes more subtle. This sponge may or may not have product on it depending on your personal preference. Last but definitely not the least, if you have any skin concerns like acne or scars or blemishes, try and avoid adding highlighter there just to make sure you don't land up emphasizing those things on an otherwise glam look. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and that it enables you to become the glow goddess that you want to be. Before you go, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.